Having quick feet, powerful explosive acceleration, edge control, and stamina are paramount to the game of hockey. Increasing your performance in these areas will give you the edge to take your game to the next level. The Bungee Skate Resistance Training System by Bungee Athletics will give you that edge. Bungee Skate will add a new dimension to your on-ice practice time by focusing on 4 key areas: powerful explosive acceleration, edge control, balance, and stamina. The Bungee Skate Resistance Training System is custom assembled to fit all skater weights and abilities. Bungee Skate components are lightweight and made up from the highest quality materials and can be set up and ready to use in minutes.
The benefits of Bungee Skate in our practice is a great tool for the kids of this age, because they're at a level now where it's questionable as to whether or not they should be doing any heavy weight training. And resistance training using the bungees is ideal on developing muscle strength and helping the kids with their explosive starts on the ice. Bungee Skate does provide variety in our practices. The kids are enthused and always looking for a different drill or a different tactic to do in practice. And this is a different dimension that the kids love. And the feedback I've got from our players is fantastic. They felt the development in their legs just from the brief period that they've used it. And I think overall it added a lot of variety they truly enjoyed.
With this Bungee Skate, like I said, with technique as a skating coach, I can measure different levels of improvement versus technique. And then we can measure power with proper technique. So like I said, if it's hooked on properly, you will have a consistent measurement level. And then we can see how much these kids are improving with this product. The advantages for Bungee Skate in my practices are a variety of different ways I can teach skating. I can teach explosive starts with it. We can work on conditioning. As a skating coach, I can work on technique. The kids can see how much fun it is as they use it as well. And we can use lots of ways to measure success. It's a fun product, but it's safe because it's built so well. And that's why we use it with the Senators, and we use it with Team Canada, because it's a safe product that we know it's not going to break. A lot of dollars on that ice, and we want to make sure we protect them.
The advantage of bungee skating is mostly for quick feet, first step quickness. If you look at hockey players these days, NHL or OHL or any levels, now the game is short distance. I mean, you get to the puck is usually very within reach or close distance, and what we see is the guy that has the best jump, first step quickness, will get to that puck first. So that would be the first thing. I would also say strength and conditioning is very important part, and it also in the training on the ice gives a little variation to what's done in practice, and players need to have quick feet to be good hockey players.
Bungee Skate is easy and fun to use. It will break up the boredom of traditional skating drills, maximize precious ice time while creating powerful explosive acceleration, quick feet, edge control, and stamina. Take your game to the next level. Bungee Skate is made up of the following components: anchor strap with an 8-foot polyester loop that has a breaking strength of 12,000 pounds, a high-strength aluminum D-ring, and adjustable buckle. An 8-foot-long elastic cord assembly made up of 2 to 6 bungee cords depending on skaters' weight and ability. These high-quality cords can stretch up to 300% their static length. 2 lightweight aluminum carabiners that are easily clipped to the end of the elastic cord assembly. A lightweight hand-stitched waist belt that will fit all sizes of player. Setting up Bungee Skate is quick and easy. For optimal performance of the system, it is key to follow some easy setup steps. The anchor strap can be easily attached to any player bench. Make sure that the bench is safely secured to the ground, then just loop through the bench, choke the strap, and hang it over the boards. Adjust the strap by pulling the end of the strap through the friction adapter until the hardware hangs just over the boards. If the bench is loose, or you can't loop the anchor strap through, then look for support posts at the back of the boards. Then loop and choke the strap around the support post. Adjust the strap to ensure that the hardware is hanging just over the top of the boards. The Bungee Skate elastic assembly is designed to perform optimally between 200 and 300% of its original length. Each cord is 10 feet in length, which means they will stretch to a maximum of 30 feet. Stretching the elastic assembly beyond the maximum length of 30 feet will negatively impact the training session and overload the system, causing accelerated wear and damage. If during use, the skater stretches the elastic beyond the maximum length of 30 feet, it is recommended that an additional elastic be added to the system. There is also a minimum length in which the bungee skate elastic assembly should be stretched for optimal training performance. The minimum stretch length for optimal performance is 25 feet. If the skater cannot reach the minimum of 25 feet, it is recommended that an elastic cord be removed from the system. A 30-foot measuring cord is provided with bungee skate. Simply attach the cord to the D-ring on the anchor strap and pull it towards center ice. Place the end of the measuring cord on the ice and mark with a marker. This is your maximum stretch distance. Place a cone or puck beside the marking. Locate the knot in the cord and place it on the ice. Mark it with a marker. This is your minimum stretch distance. Place a cone or puck beside the marking. The waist belt is easy to put on and to adjust to any size of skater. Simply pull the strap over your head and your shoulders to your waist. Fasten the belt clips, tighten the straps, then spin the belt so that the belt clips are in the rear. One more step and you're ready for takeoff. Simply open the gate of the carabiner and attach to the anchor strap. Do the same at the other end and connect to the rear anchor strap at the player's belt. Have the skater in the starting position with the cord at its 10-foot static distance. Have the skater take off, stretching the cord until forward momentum stops. Have the skater recoil back to the starting position. Typically, a training session will include 8 to 10 repetitions. As a training option, you can have the skater hold the stretch of the cord on the last repetition for 3 to 5 seconds. Take your game to the next level.